Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to see how the data for Kenya population and housing census can be displayed using Microsoft Excel. So this data was provided by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics as shown here. It was initially presented in PDF format. So let us see first in PDF by clicking here. So this is how the data was presented initially in PDF format. So we can view it by navigating through the automatic scroll. So that is the data in PDF format. So but I would like us now to view it in Excel form, because Excel is more dynamic, whereby you can be able to view a specific data from a specific sub-county, county, and also the national level. So let us view it in Excel form. So for example, in this display you can see the county of Mombasa and its population. If you click here, so you are able to see different counties, and once you click here you're able to see the sub-county, and also here it is displayed, the counties are displayed. So specifically for this county of Mvita, so you can view it by clicking here, and then it gives you the sub-county details there. So you can click any other sub-county and you're able to view. Mombasa has the following sub-county displayed. So let us look at another county like Nakuru. So for Nakuru, the county code is 32. So enter and you have all the details for Nakuru. And its population together with the sub-counties, so it has 11 sub-counties. Let us view another county like Nairobi City. So those are the details for Nairobi. It has 11 sub-counties. Let us view a county like Kitui, which is code 15. So Kitui has 18 sub-counties as shown there, and the details as they were in the in the details of KNBS. Let us view for example a sub-count, one of the sub-county in that county. So you can see that is Kitui West. So for example, the sub-county has a population of 70,871, which is 6.24% for that particular county. Let us move on to Bungoma, which is county 39, so 039. So that is Bungoma county, and it has 12 sub-counties as shown there. Let us click on another county. For example, another county like for example Kiambu, which is county 22. So Kiambu has the following sub-counties. So there are 13. County like for example Kisumu, it has 7 sub-counties, as shown there. So to be able to get all these details, I've used different formulas. For example, I've used the data validation. So as you can see it where I'm clicking there, that is where I've used the data validation. I've used data validation also here. So for example, if you look at a county like Nairobi, if you click here, you're able to get different sub-counties. A county like Kirinyaga, which is county number 20. So if you click there, you can see all the details. So apart from data validation, I've used index and match, as you can see there, together with named ranges. I've used the division. For example, here, this is the division of the national population divided by the county population. So you get it, and then you change this cell to percentage form. So this is the percentage form. So once you click there, you have it in percent, and then you can increase the the decimals and so on. So for example, here this shows that Kirinyaga is 1%. The population is 1.283% nationally. So let us look at some populous counties like Nairobi. So Nairobi represents 9.2% of the population. Kiambu represent 5% of the population. Nakuru to represent 4.5% of the total population. So let us look at other counties like Lamu. So Lamu is 0.3% of the total population. Other formulas that I've used are such as the row formulas. So if you look up there, you can see rows and many other formulas, like the Visual Basic formula, that is target.address. So if we go to the Visual Basic, you will see the other formula I've used, that is target.address, and so on. So that is all I can say for this particular video. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to get more details. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next videos.